Magandang gabi! Let's start our pronunciation video with discipline and respect. Disiplina at respeto. Discipline, disiplina, disiplina, at respeto. Disiplina at respeto. And posted last Tuesday o Martes, it is still early. Maaga pa. Maaga pa. Maaga pa. I fell asleep. I fell asleep. Nakatulog ako. Nakatulog ako. Nakatulog ako. And next is this photo. That's a photo of a fruit. Prutas. Fruit. Prutas. Prutas. An apple. Apple. Mansanas. 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 Apples. Mga mansanas. Mga mansanas. Mansanas, mga mansanas. Near and far, malayo at malapit. Malayo at malapit. Malayo at malapit. Clean and dirty sa Tagalog. Malinis at marumi. Malinis at marumi. Malinis at marumi. And to say ripe sa Tagalog, hinog. 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 A ripe bitter melon, hinog na ampalaya. Or you wanna say maybe ripe mango or a ripe guava. Hinog na manga. Hinog na bayabas. At the seeds are color red, pula, pula, pula. And that ripe bitter melon is color yellow, o dilaw. 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 Acid, buto. 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 Seeds, mga buto. At also, since we're talking about buto, I just wanna share na ang Tagalog sa bones, like the human bones, ay buto rin. Or it's also buto sa Tagalog. And since it's both buto sa Tagalog. Do not get confused. If you mean a human bone, just say buto ng tao. Buto ng tao. And if you mean mango seed or jackfruit seed, bitter melon seed, buto ng ampalaya, buto ng jackfruit o langka, buto ng manga. And let's learn some phrases sa Tagalog. I need. Oh, before that, let's learn how to respond when you're being asked, is there something you need? Or, wait, what did I post that? Is there anything you need? Is there anything you need? May kailangan ka? Or may kailangan ka ba? May kailangan ka? May kailangan ka? And if you wanna say or if you wanna answer, yes, I need, and then whatever the item is or whatever you need is, yes, oo, kailangan ko ng, I need, kailangan ko ng, and then you say the item. For example, kailangan ko ng pagkain. I need food. Or, kailangan ko ng tulong. I need help. Kailangan ko ng gamot. I need medicine. Is there anything else you need? And if there's anything else you need, you can answer by saying, oo, kailangan ko ng, or kailangan ko pa ng, and then you say the item. If you're being asked, is there anything else you need? May kailangan ka pa ba? And just in case you're looking for something, you can say, oo, yes, I'm looking for, naghahanap ako ng, and then you say whatever the item is. Naghahanap ako ng, at if you're being asked, may kailangan ka pa ba? And let's say you get everything you need, then you can respond, wala na. Wala na. Wala means nothing or none sa English, but if you're being asked, may kailangan ka pa ba? Responding with wala na sa English, what you mean, that's all, that's it, or I've got everything I need. And don't forget to say salamat, thank you, salamat, salamat. Salamat.